Here we've got nothing for one, and let me show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here go to phone ringtone. Now you can smoothly pick the ringtone that you would like to apply. Okay, let me just switch off the silent mode. Right here. And now you'll be able to hear each ringtone. And for example, if you wish to apply this one, just tap set ringtone and that's it. So as you can see, it is super quick and easy operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.